everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a cute little 1955 Volkswagen Beetle. Great car, guys. It's out of Tennessee. This is an older restoration, but very well maintained. Just a super cool car. We've kind of played with a couple of these. They're very neat, a lot of fun. People love them. This is a rare oval back window car, so it's very rare. Finished, again, it's out of Tennessee. It's finished in polar gray. It's got a gray vinyl interior. It's got, I can't tell you that I'm a Volkswagen expert, but I do know this. It's got an AK suffix, later model engine, so it's got the 1600cc, because I guess in 55 these things were very slow, so this is something you can actually get up to highway speeds. It's actually 1600cc, 4-speed manual transmission. Just a very neat car, man. There's a couple of things you can kind of pick in the paint. I'll try to show you those things. A couple little touch-up marks, but nice, very nice car. Chrome and stainless is nice. It really runs and drives excellent. Again, you can see there's a couple little touch-up marks on the fenders. Cute car, man. Good, solid, straight body. Just a cool car, man. These things are tons of fun. It's got, those are 15-inch chrome Porsche wheels on it. It's got the chrome tailpipes. Really nice in here. You can see the spare with the jack. Car's detailed up really nice. You can go ahead and shut that, Jay. I know we're moving them fast, guys, but if you keep track of that website, you know, I've got some new stuff coming. I'm actually leaving for shows for the next 3 weeks too, so kind of nitpick the door handles there a little bit. So a bunch of new stuff coming. We had one of these break. I've ordered 2 brand new ones, so they're on the way. Bucket seats, got the floor shifter, the Banjo steering wheel, factory dash. $44,218, supposed to be the original miles to the car. It's got the old Motorola radio. I don't think that works. Parking brake does work. Dual exhaust. It's got, again, this is a later model. 1600cc engine. It's got new carb, new fuel pump, so they just freshened that all up. not used to the motor being in the back there. Ed said these are Coco European mats in this car as well. And he's got them in the front and the rear. Seats are nice. Very cool car. I gotta head the other way, Jay. Runs out good. Speedo work, Jay?
Yeah.
Turn signals work. Parking brake does work. No on the radio. We think this is your heat, right?
You're supposed to be
Again,
able to turn that.
we're not V-dub experts. Doors open and close nice. Wipers work. I've got a headlight out. We'll have to check that, guys. Yeah, we got a headlight out on that side. Yep, just have to check it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a cool car, man. These things are a blast, man. I know the couple that we've had, people have just drove us crazy for it. And they're not easy to find clean, man. A lot of these things are just rust spots, you know, and this one's nice. Have a great day, guys.